I'm Jamie, and I'm from OSU Extension. And this is my helper,
Allie.
Allie. Today we're going to talk about the 5 food groups. One of the food groups is grains. Allie, what kind of foods belong in the grain group? Bread and rice.
Bread and rice.
Bread and rice, good job. Yes, things like bread, rice, tortillas, oats, and flour all belong in the grain group. Allie, what's your favorite grain?
Toast.
Toast. I love toast. My favorite grain is popcorn. You should try to eat more whole grains. Whole grains are things like whole wheat tortillas and whole wheat bread. Also, things like brown rice and popcorn are whole grains. Grains have complex carbohydrates. We need grains to help our bodies move, think, and grow. Whole grains are high in fiber, and fiber helps to keep our digestive system moving. Grains are also high in B vitamins, which help give our bodies energy that we need every day. Iron is good for our blood. Whole grains are good for our heart. One way to find whole grains is to look for the whole grain stamp on packages. Another way is to look for whole grains in the ingredient list.
Eat